Hello everyone, my name is Hamad Almheiri. I'm an ex-pilot. I used to be a commercial pilot for 12 years until I did my course like lately with Blue Ocean Institute, where I was trying to find the operation management course in anywhere. So I found it here, it was amazing because of the people who work here and the doctors who even like motivate. You will find everyone like try to help you to get whatever like at last, or let's say the biggest and huge information by the end of the course. I'm glad that I completed my airport operation, and yeah, I hope like you, whoever see this video, maybe can check what Blue Ocean are offering from courses.